chicken queen. He's the meanest ugly clucker you have ever seen. He used to wash his face with Vaseline, brush his teeth with Mr. Clean. His feet were yellow and his face was green. I'm talking about Fred. I'm talking about Fred. I'm talking about Fred, the chicken queen. Used to ride around in his limousine, selling little boys Benzedrine. Take him for a ride on the submarine way down yonder in New Orleans. I'm talking about Fred. I'm talking about Fred. I'm talking about Fred, the chicken queen. I'm talking about Fred, a chicken queen, meanest ugly clucker you have ever seen. He used to wash his face in Vaseline, brush his teeth with Mr. Clean. He's really ugly I've seen. I'm talking about Fred. I'm talking about Fred. I'm talking about Fred, the chicken queen. Fred is a mean old chicken, looking for drumstick, not talking finger licking. Cheap, really deep, cluck, out of luck. Quack, who's the dead elephants on the track. Wondered if I ever mustered, yeah, just a hot crusher, yeah, blue or feather duster, yummy, pass the mustard. Tiny little cluckers, pecking in the barnyard, clucking in the backyard, clucking in the backyard, pecking in the front yard, pecking in the front yard, clucking up the boulevard. Flap your wings like a chicken queen. 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 Flap your wings like a chicken queen.